Hello everyone, my name is Hannah and I'm 11 years old and I'm from South Korea. Nice to meet you. Today I'm going to talk about trees. Do you know there are many different types of trees worldwide? Some trees are grow on gardens, some grow on park, and some grow in the yard or garden. And now let's discover more about trees with me. Chapter 1. What is a tree? This is a picture of a tree. And do you know what is a tree? Tree is a tall plant grow on many places. And there are four parts of the trees. There are roots, branches, trunk, and leaves. And tree can make the fruit with the light from the sunlight. And the tree can grow tall, so it is good to get light from the sun. And the trees grow every day. And this is the picture of an old tree trunk. Some people can know its age just looking for its surface. Can you see these rings? These rings, every ring is 1 year old. And do you know? This is a tree called a coast redwood. Some coast redwood trees can be 110 meters tall. Chapter 2. Parts of a tree. Now you can know that there are four parts of a tree. And do you know what different parts of the tree can do? At first, leaves. The leaves are grow on the tree's branches. And they are making food, but also they need the water and air, the light from the sun, the sunlight. And this is picture of a roots. Roots can take water from the ground. And then the roots and the trunk take the water from the roots and it gives to the leaves, branches, and fruits. And this is a bark. This is a bark. It can protect trees when shake and many others. And chapter 3. Flowers and seed. Some trees have flowers to make fruits. This is a flower and this is a pollen. Flowers make pollens. And the wind can blow the pollens away to another, or the insects take pollens to another flowers too. So they can grow the seeds. And this is a picture of a fruits on a tree. All the fruit has seed outside or inside of them. The fruit protects seed. And when the fruits are grown, some farmers take them and some old fruits that fall down to the ground. And so the seeds go into the ground and then the new tree grow from the seeds. Chapter 4. Different trees. And there are many types of leaves. There are two main types of leaves, broadleaves and conifers. First, this is a broadleaves. This is a flat leaves that grow on some trees. And this is a picture of a conifer. It has sharp needles, so it is hard for animals to eat them. And it can grow on the dry weather or cold weather too. But not like conifers. Broadleaves can't grow in a hot, either dry or cold weather, so the leaves fall to the ground. And then, when it is rainy or hot, the leaves grow again in the branches. And do you know? Well, on very big tree, half of a million leaves can fall off. Chapter 5. What trees do? And do you know trees are good for us? We use the oxygen to live, to breathe. But there are too much carbon dioxide, so it is not good to our health. And so but the trees take carbon dioxide to them and they put oxygen into the air. So it is good for us. And also trees can protect us from the rain, snow, or the hot light from the sun, the bright light from the sun. And also trees are good for ground too, because it is not dry when there are trees, the place where the trees grow. And also we can play on the tree and have fun too. So you need to thank the trees. Chapter 6. Things from trees. We can get fruit from the trees. There are many types of fruit like apples, oranges, potato, bananas, nuts, avocados, and many lots of other fruits. And also we can get rubber from trees too. We can make a tire with rubber and many other things with rubber. And this is a picture of a wood in a home. We can make wood with tree trunk and branches. It is good for interiors and make toys. And also we can make fire with the woods. And do you know, this is a totem pole in the North America. We can make totem poles with trees too. And chapter 7, homes in trees. Not only people, the trees are also good for animals too. Many birds, insects, and many other can live in the tree because it is good to protect their body from the wind, snow, or sunlight too. And this is a picture of a monkey that lives in the tree. It can eat leaves and fruit from the tree. And also it can move to another branch. And this is a snake. It lives in a tree. It likes to live on the tree because they can eat birds that stay on the branch. And also it is hard to foxes and other big animals to catch the snake on the tree. And do you know, some plants live in trees too. Chapter 8, the last one. Protect trees. Some animals or plants or insects are bad for trees. Animals eat leaves or others on the tree, and also some insects or animals drink water from the tree, so it can't get water. And also people are bad for trees too. They cut down the tree so it cannot grow and it die. Like this. And do you know, every day people cut down nearly 10 million trees in one day. So that I say before, the trees are good for us. So we need to stop it. We need to grow new trees to protect the forest and trees. Now this book is done. I hope this video is good for you to know more about important things from the tree and the way we can protect trees. I'm so thankful to you. Bye bye.